guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from today's title, we are going to talk about the Huda Beauty Ube. Hold on. The Ube. I forgot her name. Hey guys, it's Nika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is all about the Huda Beauties Ube Birthday Cake Easy Bake Powder. Y'all, this will be my first time trying it and this will be your first time seeing it on me. I had bought this powder last month and then I forgot about it and I was like, you know what, let's just do a YouTube video on it. So here is the powder. Y'all, when I first saw it on Huda, I was obsessed. I don't have like a lavender powder for under my eye. So I was like, let me go ahead and get it. So this powder retailed for $39. Yes, $39. And I also bought the gloss as well. So the gloss retailed for $21. Y'all, makeup is expensive these days. These two came up to $64.35. Yeah. Usually when I set under my eye, I always mix and I'm itching to mix, but because we need to see how it looks by itself, I'm gonna just use powder. Even though I really don't want to, but it's okay. The Ube powder. Next, I'm going to take my damp beauty blender. Usually when I set my under eye, I prefer my beauty blender slightly damp because I feel like it will blend better. So now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to press on the powder. All right, here it goes. Okay. Making sure the powder is setting. So this is how the powder looks on, and this is how my concealer looks. I love the shade. The shade is beautiful, but I feel like it didn't brighten, like it didn't enhance my concealer. Like I expected it to look like this, but lavender. So that's just my impression on it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this color compared to my concealer. So I just finished the rest of my face. I'm going to try the gloss now. I'm actually debating on if I should wear the gloss by itself with lip liner or if I should add like a matte lip and then apply the gloss on it. So this is like, I would say like a clear gloss with a tint of like pink. What do you guys think? So my final thoughts on the powder. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I kind of didn't like it because I felt like it muted my concealer. Yeah, I felt like it, I'm trying to say the correct term. So I felt like it muted my concealer, but after I applied it 3 times, then I started to see, it started to get bright. But I don't really see the lavender. Like, I wish I could literally see the lavender. Like you can see it, but then you can't see it, if that makes sense. But it's a beautiful powder though. Do I think you need this powder? I think everyone should have this kind of shade in their collection because you never know when you'll use it. Is it a need? No, not really. But I feel like if you're doing different looks, then you need this kind of powder because you never know when you're gonna need it, if that makes sense. So I just wish I could see more of the lavender. I will do another video of me wearing the powder again, but I'll mix it so you guys can see what I mean by that. But overall, the powder is beautiful. It's beautiful. As for the faux filler gloss, I will rate this a 10 out of 10. I love all Huda's gloss. I feel like everyone needs this in their collection. The formula, the quality is everything. It looks so good. Yeah, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. It is Nika Mambo. It is spelled Nika Mambo, and I hope you guys enjoy.